Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing and signing in. That gets you into OneDrive fast. Once done, grant storage and camera permissions so the app can upload photos automatically. Make sure to choose the folders you want synced, because selective sync prevents clutter and saves space. For the initial backup, connect to Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges. The app shows upload progress and estimated time. This step prepares OneDrive to manage files and keeps your phone storage lean. Now organize and sync so your content is usable across devices. Create clear folders and move files by long pressing items, then choose Move. That keeps structure consistent. Enable camera upload or scan to convert receipts into PDFs. This automates capture and OCR. You can upload individual files too if you prefer manual control. In settings, set upload quality and decide which files are available offline. That balances speed, storage, and data use. These choices determine how quickly and reliably your files appear everywhere. Finish by sharing and securing your work and know how to fix common problems. Use Share to send links or invite collaborators. Set view versus edit rights and add expirations for safety. Backups keep versions. Enable versioning for important files. If something stops syncing, first restart the app, then check your internet and account status. Sign out and back in if needed. Also clear the app cache or update OneDrive. Most issues resolve quickly with these steps, letting you get back to work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.